And we're rolling.
So,
minutes, which is pretty late.
yeah, they don't have the same one on.
Rolling.
So here we are, 9th of October, beautiful October afternoon, light easterly winds, 2.5 maybe, 2 races, committee boat start, really close racing amongst the laser fleet, lots of boat on boat action. We'll come across a few people later to discuss that. We've also had hundreds of cadets out. So all in all, about 50 boats on the water this afternoon, which is absolutely fantastic. All down to fleet racing, cadet racing, and so on. We'll go and have a talk to a few people and see what was going on this afternoon.
Rolling.
Adam, pinball. Hey, pinball. Now, what went on this afternoon? Come on.
Did you hit anything?
Quick. Did you hit any?
Yeah, I hit stuff.
You hit stuff.
I hit a mark in the first race, and I hit a mark in the second race as well. And we overstood the windward mark. PK, cameraman, and me overstood the windward mark in the second race. So, yeah.
So what was your positions in race 1?
I had a good day today. First in race 1 and second in race 2.
I think that's pretty good. The Frenchman, what happened?
What happened is that the race officer.
Je ne sais quoi.
What happened is that the race officer told me that there wasn't a second race. I'm okay, thanks.
Always blame someone else.
Yeah, that's usually a good strategy.
Yeah, but you.
And
I think you.
I did some special acrobatics for PK as well.
You went for a swim.
Yeah, exactly.
And Kevin.
I'm not playing today. No. Hey, hello.
One word answer.
Yeah. Yes. So you want more?
How now? Just describe today.
Excuse me. Would you like a beer? Yeah, go on then. Okay. Do you want a beer?
I'm fine.
Would you like a beer?
Yes, I would like a beer. Yes.
Yeah.
It's all.
One. Right.
It's all gone.
Three.
Fiona Bruce doesn't have to deal with it.
4. More beer. Excuse me.
Interviewing Boris Johnson. Do you want a beer? Right. Anyway.
So,
Close together. Yeah, there you go.
how close were you, me, and PK?
Very, very close all the way around. But I did particularly like Frenchman Mark, who was in a starboard sandwich between me and PK. And he couldn't work out how to get out of it. We said just jibe, and he was. and it took him a whole leg to go. Oh, why don't I jibe?
Jibe onto starboard.
Yeah. That was good.
Anything else happened this afternoon?
Yes, no, I did lots of laughing at a few people who hit the buoy, pinball, yourself. I was calling them all out, and they did great. And then I went and hit the mark twice. So I did some turns.
A lot of Pinball Wizard.
A lot of pinball there. So it was only right.
Good. Any patio Dave? Where were you?
Well, really tough day. Worked really hard. Really battling out there. But I knew my limits, so no, I wasn't there.
Well, I think that's enough. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We've got another race. Two races tomorrow. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Bye for now.
I usually reckon I've missed the start by the time the lasers go out.